So contrast training for this workshop is going to be a more general look at how our dog is reading the information that we are giving them. So if I want you to drive a straight line, my body looks like this, my cues are that, we are moving on the same trajectory of this direction. If I want you to take this soft turn, my cues are one thing, my body is showing you something else, and I'm wanting you to collect and respond to those physical and verbal cues that I'm giving you. I think that the dogs are doing the best that they can with the skills that we've given them. So in the event where we're seeing holes like this in our training, we can help improve that. You have some options here that I did not put in the videos, but I'm going to walk you through it. So I opted to handle with a lead out and dog on my right. You could easily lead out a little bit here after your starting jump and use a rear cross to help get your turn from jump 2 to 3. So I'm testing a couple of things here, but I definitely want to see, can my dog now just work with these 4 jumps and not even consider taking the tunnel? Okay. So I'm going to lead out.